Okay, we're going to start first with some extra virgin olive oil, or I'm using some organic coconut oil. Bring that up to a heat, and then we're going to toss in our onions and let them cook. I'm going to add all our peppers and onions and leave the garlic for now until another few minutes. Okay, now it's time to add our garlic and ginger in. Okay, mix that all around. Okay, now we are going to push everything to the side. Okay, make room. And we're going to crack 2 eggs right there in the pan. Okay. And then we're going to whisk that up. Okay. At this time, we're also going to add some pepper. Okay, now we're going to add in our white rice. Okay, I'm going to add a little tap of butter in there. Alright, and the last thing that we're going to add is some dark soy. And this is exactly why we didn't add salt before. Give that a mix. And the last thing is to cut some scallions in your rice. And I'm just using my kitchen shears. And there you go. It is all done. Got egg in there, onions, peppers, garlic, ginger, soy sauce. Yum.